Welcome to Vision Convent School, Belta Road. Our motto is the things of ability. Participate in ongoing training programs to ensure that the strategies, methods, and resources they use reflect the students of best practice from around the world. The entire Vision Convent staff has access to international training and development program. Teaching staff is well qualified and is selected for their abilities to create a motivational environment. They always proven track record of motivating students to progress and work to their best levels.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Hello everyone, how are you? Do you know today someone has came to meet with you all? You all want to meet with him? Yes? Yes. So here I am. Today I have become a magician. Yes. Abracadabra. Legally true. This is magic E. Do you know magic E क्या कहता है? Magic E is a magician. This is the last of one word. The magic, the short vowel letters. Yes. Abracadabra. Really true.
Our school offers various facilities to the students such as spacious classroom, individual guidance, provide international language, extra classes on Sunday, conducting therapy by Dr. Mamani Patra for grooming, only phonics school in Nagpur.
This is Dr. Mamani Patra, the principal of Vision Convent School. Actually, I'm basically coming from Kolkata, but I'm staying to UK for few years my research purpose. Actually, जब मैं नागपुर में आई तो यहाँ पे नागपुर इज़ अ वेरी वर्सेटाइल सिटी और यहाँ पे हर डे हमें सीखने को मिल रहा है. But whenever I go through the topic of education, it's a very big questions to me. I'm very disappointed because I have to observe many school and many students. There have a big problem is that she or he cannot speaking fluency in English. What is the problem? Problem is not our side, not its student side. It is problem between our system, education system, because many of school did not attentionally their base point. ये base point जब हम उनको skip कर जाते हैं, they had to give the face problem is that it is the problem actually ये problem की वजह से बच्चे हमारे 6-7 स्टैंडर्ड में बच्चे जब जाते हैं तो बच्चे को प्रॉपरली सेंटेंस बोलना और लिखना नहीं आता. जब हम इंडिया में आए तो हमें ये लगा कि हमारे बच्चे जो है वो हमारे एक्चुअली देयर इज नॉट इज फॉल्ट इटसेल्फ. एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम है हमारा. whenever we go outside we put some things which good to more brighter for our country. एक्चुअली हम हमारे स्कूल में ये आई कैन से ऑल द स्कूल whenever I go it is going through wrong. ये हम नहीं बोल सकते हर स्कूल पे जाके, बट हमारा जो प्लेटफॉर्म है आई हैव टू चेंज मोर दैट. तो मेरा स्कूल का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है हम नर्सरी टू सेकेंड स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स वी स्टार्टेड ऑलरेडी Montessori and abacus system and phonics system.
As you know, reading is very important skill for everyone. So, phonics is also very important. And you know what is phonics? For example, I will take A letter. Sound of A is, see here, A. A. Apple. A. Apple. See, here is apple. So, A. Apple. Now, next sound, letter E. Letter E. has two sounds. Which two sounds? Elephant and eagle. Eagle.
The phonics system actually, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, we know that all. But A transformation, A sounds, it's a sound, b sound. It's just a proper sound. हम A for apple बोलते हैं, but it's not a good pronunciation. A sound, B sound, C k sound. बच्चे का counseling part is mandatory, right? Because body behavioral therapy, speech therapies, कोई बच्चे slow learner होते हैं, उनके लिए counseling part is very mandatory. Because हम चाहते हैं education हम cover करने के पहले बच्चे को discipline is mandatory. Grooming portion is mandatory. So how it's became from? जब तक हम counseling बच्चे की नहीं करेंगे तब तक बच्चे it's not forming there. Okay, so we provide counseling also, and third thing is that is a first time in Nagpur in our school. हम क्लास 4th स्टैंडर्ड से हमारे बच्चे के लिए काउंसलिंग पार्ट के साथ साथ हम इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज प्रोवाइड करते हैं, फ्रेंच एंड जर्मन. आई वांट दैट हमारे बच्चे जब आफ्टर 12th के बाद हमारे बच्चे स्कूल से जाए, सो बच्चे इज गोइंग थ्रू अ ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट. ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट मीन्स इट्स अ प्रॉपर वे एजुकेशन सिस्टम, प्रॉपर वे ग्रूमिंग पोर्शन एंड प्रॉपर वे इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज. इट इज़ वेरी मैंडेटरी ऑल आवर किड्स. एक प्रिंसिपल एक सीट पे बैठ के वो सिस्टम मैनेज करते हैं, लेकिन पूरा सिस्टम को कोऑपरेट करना है टुवर्ड्स पेरेंट्स, टुवर्ड्स टीचर, टुवर्ड्स आवर स्टाफ. सभी टीचर, स्टाफ, पेरेंट्स को मैं यही रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, हमने जो प्रोटोकॉल और सिस्टम को हमारे स्कूल की तरफ से स्टार्ट किया वो आपको फॉलो करना है डे टू डे. बिकॉज यू थॉट दैट कि हमने जो भी स्टार्ट किया ये आपके बच्चे के लिए, आपके बच्चे के फ्यूचर के लिए. तो आप सभी को ये फॉलो अप, ये कोऑपरेट हमसे करना है. एंड आई थॉट you have to cooperate with me also. Thank you so much.
Our respected chairman, Mr. Narayan Chinchoni, always tried to best education to each of our students. He is such a chairman that he always comes to visit the school every day. He closely monitoring and evaluating the progress of new and existing teaching methods. At Vision Convent High School, know how important your child's safety and security to provide dedicated school transportation service for the students. All transport is regularly maintained for safety. Children will remember an important day only if they are told what the occasion's significance. Celebrations bring to students closer to each tradition and cultural development. Vision Convent High School celebrating famous festivals like Independence Day, Janmashtami, Mother's Day, Grandparents' Day, Lori, Raksha Bandhan and many more. To learn more, visionconvent.com.